It's teamwork. It's teamwork. Hello, 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 my beautiful cannabis brothers and sisters. How are we all doing? Peace, blessings, good health, one love, and happiness to all. We are here at Product Earth 2022. Oh yes. Hope everyone's keeping well, keeping blessed, keeping medicated as much as possible, and spreading the positivities around you. Oh yes. Big, big love and respect. Oh my goodness. Big shout out to these guys. Check this out. They sorted me out these bits. Oh my gosh. Big love and respect. Lady Sativa Genetics. And these guys, big shout out to Original Big Buddha Family Farm. Yes, my bro. Yes, yes. Haha. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Absolutely epic. Big, big love and respect. Product Earth 2022. One love to all. Haha. Blessings. Wow.